quick PSA, especially for people that live in Georgia. I'm gonna do something, and I'm gonna let you know why it's going on. Let me unmount this. So, we in the studio, in the house, the creative center, and then if you see most people videos, and especially if they live in Georgia, you're gonna hear shit like this. Oh, now it doesn't want to make the sound. That sound. That means you need to, where is it at? You need to change the battery in your smoke detector. Be safe. I gotta change mine. The battery's dying. That's why it makes those sounds, especially in apartment complexes. Be safe. Peace.